What's up guys, and welcome back to the Hack Spot. Today we've got a pretty interesting product that's pretty cheap too, and it really adds a lot of functionality. So thanks to TaoTronics for sending out this product for a review. But anyways, this is basically a Bluetooth transmitter, and it's very low latency, meaning that once you connect it, very low lag, there's like little to no lag. You can also connect up to 2 devices, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, so let's go and open up this packaging. So there's that. Welcome to a life with better sound. Okay, nice. Okay, so it looks like this is the entire Bluetooth transmitter all in this one small package. You got a button, you got a micro USB port, and it looks like an auxiliary port. And yeah, so that is basically, it has a nice matte finish to it, very soft. We get some cables, and then we get a little paper booklet. So anyways, this shows you how to use it, of course, so that's pretty cool that they include all this inside the box, ready to go. Oh yeah, and for those wondering, just a quick update from my last video. They did replace my iPhone 10, but it is updated to iOS 11.2.1, and I'm just hoping for an 11.2.1 jailbreak soon. But yeah, brand new phone. I mean, you can't really complain about that. And best of all, the screen works, so yeah. Okay, so now that we're done with the unboxing, what this Bluetooth transmitter allows you to do is connect your audio output device that has Bluetooth to your PC, your TV, your iPod, your computer monitor that does not have Bluetooth. So for example, if you have Bluetooth headphones and you want to connect to them wirelessly to your TV that does not have Bluetooth, all you do is plug the transmitter into your TV and boom, there you go. Now you have a wireless solution. Now in this video, I'm actually going to be connecting my Bluetooth speakers to my non-Bluetooth monitors over Bluetooth using this transmitter. Alright, so fast forward, I have been using this Bluetooth transmitter and it has been working really well. Now, being clumsy like I am, I did lose the original auxiliary cable, so I'm going to be using this one. Alright, so here's what I use it for. Now, basically I have this monitor right here, and I wanted to play through my speakers at the bottom right here. These speakers basically wirelessly from whatever my audio device is. Okay, so first I need to put the speaker in pairing mode, so I'm going to do that. Cool. So you guys heard that, now it's in pairing mode. So now on this little Bluetooth transmitter, all I do is first just go ahead and tap and hold on this button, and you guys will see the LED come on. So I'm going to do this. Just keep on holding until it starts flashing a lot. So right now it's just flashing blue, it'll be multicolored, and there you go. That's how you know you're in the right spot. So then it'll automatically find the device that is searching for Bluetooth, and boom, just like that, it is good to go. So you don't have to pair it. And actually, that's kind of pairing it, but you guys get what I mean. You don't have to search for the device and then pair it. All you do is put the audio output device. So for example, my speaker, put that on Bluetooth pairing mode. And now I'm going to use this for my monitor, so I connect through Bluetooth. And let's put this in pairing mode, and it will connect automatically. Pretty cool. Okay, so now it's going to plug it in through the auxiliary cable port. So just plug it in from here. And you want to plug into your monitor too. Now again, if your TV or computer monitor does not have it, you can just use this adapter that they do provide. So all you do is plug it in, and there you go. You're basically good to go with that too. But anyways, I have an auxiliary port, so I'm just going to use that. Alright, so guys, I did get it set up. So basically, in the back of my monitors, there is an auxiliary port. I did plug it in. And this cable is a little too long compared to the original one, but again, I lost my original aux cable for this. But anyways, so my MacBook is not actually connected to these speakers right here, these two. They're actually just connected to the monitors, so by default, it will play through the monitors. But because I connected the monitors through Bluetooth to these speakers, it will now play through these, which is a lot better. Now you can also do this, for example, with our Bluetooth headphones. So if you want to watch TV and you have a pair of Bluetooth headphones, plug the transmitter into your TV so that you can have Bluetooth transmitted to your headphones and watch wirelessly on your headphones if you want to do that. So that is pretty awesome too. So watch this, guys. Alright, so I'm going to be playing through the speakers right here. So here we go. Might be a bit loud, but here we go. So yeah, the sub is working too. Pretty cool. Now just for comparison, if I was using my monitor speakers, it would sound terrible, so I'm going to switch over to that. So here we go. This is some monitor speakers now. And yeah, you guys see it sounds a lot worse. Now back to the speakers. There you go. Awesome. Alright, so that wasn't the most practical scenario with these monitors and right beside each other. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. But you guys can see just how it works. And again, there are so many uses for this. So it's really, really cool. You can also plug it into your TV and have your TV have Bluetooth, so you can plug it into your headphones or your Bluetooth speakers. But yeah, it's a pretty cool and useful little device.